is a law of nature, and this law never fails. So, whatever you want, start giving, start distributing, and it will come to you. This is yam, ahimsa. Why ahimsa? Because nobody wants hinsa to happen to him, that destruction happen to him. So be very loving and kind towards others, and you will find thousands of people are very loving and kind towards you. Then is the niyam. You must decide that this is what I want. Tum chahte kya ho? You all have written tum chahte kya ho? Yes or no? Now, once you have set up your goal, remember nothing comes free in life. You have to pay the price. Nothing comes free in life. You have to pay the price. If I am going to be with every one of you, if I am going to heal you, if I am available every moment whenever you need help, then for that I will have to pay the price. And that price is I must meditate as much as I can. That is why I do not waste time. I don't want to waste time. And I do not like the people, those who waste my time. I have to sit and meditate. This is the price I have to pay. Only then I can be, I can heal, and I can help. Similarly, the goal which you have decided for your own self, you must ask yourself, what is the price I must pay to achieve it? For that you will have to create niyam, your timetable. And yesterday I said, you will only succeed when you develop an attitude of delivering 125% of what you have been paid for. If 100 rupees is given to you, hypothetically, you must deliver 125 rupees worth of goods, worth of services, worth of hard work. Charity begins from home. Start working for your own self. Now this is again an attitude, developing an attitude that whatever is given to me, I am going to repay back 125%. So if this is my goal, then what price I must pay to achieve, do not make it 50%. I know people, those who do it only 30%. And then they want the whole world to say, no, I am doing so much. Do not live in illusion. Be very truthful. 125%. Whatever you want to achieve, tum chahte kya ho, is very important. First of all, you will have to write the golden book. That is the first step. That is the first price you will have to pay. The first price is to identify tum chahte kya ho. The first prize, the first step, the first currency note is to identify what is your goal of life. What is it you want to achieve immediately? What is it you want to achieve after 1 year? What is it you want to achieve midterm? What is it you want to achieve ultimately in life? It has to be crystal clear. And anyone who is truthful, he will have a very forceful voice. And anyone who is not truthful, he will have to repeatedly go on speaking till the time others get irritated. Am I making sense? Is it a thought-provoking? Yes or no? So we must be ready to pay the price. Tum chahte kya ho? First of all, the first price is I am identifying. I cannot be that lazy that I want, but I am going to pay only 10%. I want, but I say, I'm not going to think, you know everything, so whatever is good for me, give me. This is that person who is not honest. He is wanting to pay only 10% of the price, 125%. And the person who is going to pay 125%, he is going to first write that this is what I want to achieve. Then he will close his eyes and he will visualize that already he has achieved and how he is feeling. If he is happy, he'll say, okay, I stick to it. And when you are visualizing, you go into reality. And the moment you are into reality, you find, no, it is horrible what I am seeking. I have to bring a change. There was a girl, very casually, she said, I want the perfect husband. Perfectionist is the word. In every aspect of life, he has to be perfect. I say, okay, pay the price. Tum chahte kya ho? Visualize.